Now we will focus on the alphabets, specifically the letters A and Z, and the matching and sorting pages. We will edit pages 57 to 94. For the uppercase letter match, we will design this. You can also edit the colors if you want or add some characters and elements. For the caterpillar alphabet matching, just put some background. Also, add a background to the alphabet road tracing, and you can design it as well. Now let's proceed to the matching puzzle. You can just put what you want. I will make it black and white, and below you can edit it and put their nickname. I will add a background to the shape matching page. For the color matching, I will also add a background and use cutouts of fruits such as an apple, avocado, and banana. Additionally, I will include animals such as an eagle, a whale, and a seal. For the trace and match the animals, I will just add a background. If you have time, you can also change the animals, but I will not change them now. For the match the emotions page, I will add a background. In the sort by size page, I will add elements like trees in small, medium, and large sizes, and repeat this 3 times. For the 5 senses sorting activity, for eye I will just put this, for hearing, I will put an eagle, for smell, I will add flowers because we can smell flowers, for taste, I will put a banana, and for touch, I will put a stone because we can touch a stone. For the picture's color sorting, I will give you a trick. Just click the color you want and then copy its code. Go to the elements, click the 3 lines above, paste the color code, and click apply. After you apply it, all elements in that color will be displayed on the screen. Always use free elements, okay? Just repeat the process. You can also add other colors like orange, brown, pink, yellow, and more, depending on your preference. Now we are finished. For our next lesson, I will teach you how to create other pages inspired by what you see in your competitors. We will use it as a guide.